Jarrett, the therapist here, and I deal with a lot of wounds daily, and these bandages work extremely well. I was given this product from the company for this video, and this is a silicone border dressing that covers a large area. You can use this on areas that will have a lot of fluid drainage because these are designed to absorb fluid and also give a secure border so they can stay on for a long time. So like I was saying, these are extremely long, so that way they can cover a large area. Let's say like maybe the thigh, maybe the lower part of the leg, or even your arm. With this here, you'll just take off one side of the dressing and then you can apply it right on, putting the adhesive on, making sure that it's not too built up like this. But if it does kind of build up like that and you need to even it out, you can go ahead and readjust it just like that. Then you'll take off the other side of the border and apply it right on the arm. And this is nice and secure and will cover the area that has that area that you're trying to secure. So now this could be great for someone that may be post-op that needs an additional dressing. This would help cover the area. And as you can see, as I'm moving around, it stays firmly on there. And or if it does loosen up, you can just pull on that adhesive and then readjust it so that way it's flush and so that way it doesn't build up too much. But you get 5 that come in the pack, and this is something that I use a lot in my line of work, and I would definitely recommend checking this out.